How to leave a Life360 circle. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to leave a Life360 circle on your Life360 application. So first thing, make sure you have successfully installed and updated your Life360 application from the Play Store, and just make sure you are logged into your account. And once you're inside the application, you can see there's a option called friends in the middle of section. So this is representing a circle name for me in this section. So just make sure you have selected the correct circle. So simply click on it and make sure it's the right one, and just click on the settings at the top left corner, and from over here you can see there's an option called circle management. Simply click on it and scroll down until you see there's an option called leave circle at the bottom, you can see. So once you click on it, you will be heading over to this screen where you have to click on this yes to leave the circle, and you will no longer see or share locations with this circle. So that is exactly how you can easily leave a Life360 circle on your Life360 application. So that is it for today guys. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.